This is green tea leaf salad with cabbage, nuts, tomatoes, and garlic. This dish has a completely new taste I've never had in my life. Lam tete means delicious in the northern dialect. This is Thai bamboo shoot salad. A lot of seafood in here. I am at the Swan Burmese cuisine. This is a very popular and highly rated Burmese restaurant in Chiang Mai, which is located not too far away from the Taipei Gate. This is a very beautiful restaurant and it's pretty large, I would say. This is La Pet Tok for 110 baht. This is green tea leaf salad with cabbage, nuts, tomatoes, and garlic. I've never had a green tea leaf salad before, so I'm really curious as to what it tastes like. It's 110 baht. Of course, I got the standard mango shake, 70 baht, and rice for 20 baht. Okay, this little piece of green is the tea leaf. Right here, this is the tea leaf. It's very crunchy. Very good. Thank you. Wow, this is very good. It's an appetizer, but it's large enough to share with a friend. The portion is good enough as a standalone dish. I just feel healthy eating this salad. Extremely good, extremely good. I highly recommend this dish. This is the main dish that I ordered. This is the most popular dish at this restaurant. It's called Ameo Dal Hin for 180 baht. It's beef curry with garlic, onion, tomato, ginger, and cumin. Well, the beef chunks are very big, as you can see. So the curry is very thick. This dish has a completely new taste I've never had in my life. It's not like a typical curry I had before. It's quite different. Very interesting flavor. Very interesting. Quite different than other dishes I've had, other curry dishes I've ever had. If you're in Chiang Mai, I recommend you to check out this Burmese restaurant. It's called the Swan. I am at Eing Restaurant. This is a very small restaurant that's very close to the Taipei Gate. The Eing is the name of the lady who owns the restaurant. This restaurant is very highly rated and has a very good price, as you can see. For instance, pad thai tofu and egg is 50 baht, tofu with egg and bell pepper 50 baht, yellow curry with tofu and veggie is 60. I looked at the menu already. Everything is very reasonable, and I hear the portions are very big. So I look forward to eating here. As you can see, it's a pretty small restaurant, but it's very popular for the locals as well as tourists. And that's Miss Eing in the back. Hello. Okay, thank you. Okay, nice decoration. Very nice. Here's the noodles menu. I ordered Pasiu pork which is 50 baht.
หมกห่อหมก
Very good price.
แล้วก็หน่อไม้
Here's a Ing's menu.
อาหารเมืองนะ
Veggies menu.
กับข้าวเมือง
And drinks menu.
มันจืด
I ordered detox smoothies for 40 baht, which has kale, pineapple, banana, and ginger. Lam tete.
นางส่งให้เหมือน
Lam
กัน
tete means delicious in the northern dialect.
ทำไมอ่ะแต่หนูถามอยู่หนูก็ถามยังอยู่ว่าเธอเคยส่ง
The noodle texture is perfect. Not too soft, not too hard. I would say it's about perfect. The vegetables are fresh, very crunchy. This has to be one of the largest portions I've ever had in Thailand. Most portions in Thailand are very small, in my opinion. I am at very popular Huen Phen restaurant, which is located off of Ratchamakmanka Road, in the middle of the old city of Chiang Mai. I ordered watermelon smoothie for 65 baht. This is the grilled minced pork and banana leaf, 60 baht. And sticky rice for 15 baht. I also have papaya salad for 60 baht. Let me show you what the restaurant looks like. It's a fairly large restaurant. Watermelon smoothie is very good. Papaya salad is always good. This is Thai bamboo shoe salad. I've never had a bamboo shoe salad, so I look forward to eating it. This was 50 baht. It's a little spicy. It's a very interesting flavor. It's definitely a flavor I've never encountered before. It has a very strong flavor, very strong, and spicy too. I think you will either love it or hate it. Since I like to try new things, this is good for me. I probably would not go out of my way to get bamboo shoe salad in the future. It's very tasty. The flavor is a little too strong for me though. It's like this. Not the taste I was expecting. Interesting. I'm at Coconut and Sea Salt Ice Cream Shop, which is located at Ratchamakmanka Road. This is Banana Paradise for 99 baht. Has 2 scoops of coconut ice cream and 2 scoops of sea salt ice cream. Ice cream shop is very pretty, I would say. I am at the very popular Cat's Kitchen. I ate here in April. I was so impressed with the the quality of food and the friendliness of the staff, so I decided to come back again. This is mixed fruit shake. You can choose up to 3. I chose mango, passion fruit, and papaya. 50 baht. This is papaya salad for 50 baht. This is fried curry powders, 150 baht. And one rice for 10 baht. A lot of seafood in here. Big chunks of seafood. Very nice. Very nice, very nice. The squid is cooked really well. It's almost a perfect texture. Not too soft, not too hard.